Hey YouTube, here's Heiko coming to you with a short video. I want to share what I just recently learned about batteries and battery acid and how to rejuvenate old batteries, lead acid especially, or in particular. Here in front of you, you see a couple of products that you might need. Let's start over there. Big spray bottle. What's in there? There's just water and some baking soda in there. So let's say old battery exploded in your truck and battery acid is all over the place, and you guys know sulfuric acid is definitely not the most gentle fluid. You want to immediately neutralize the battery acid, and you can do that with a mixture of just regular tap water and baking soda. I put it in a spray bottle. It's pretty easy to apply to spray the battery acid down, and then you will see a little bubbling action going on. That's when the baking soda neutralizes the battery acid. And then here next to me is distilled water from the drink aisle in Walmart, and pure Epsom salt, the soaking solution from the health department of Walmart. So pretty much in your pharmacy section you can buy Epsom salt. What is Epsom salt? It's magnesium sulfate. If you mix those two, distilled water and Epsom salt, in a ratio of 1 quart to 10 tablespoons, 1 quart, 10 tablespoons, and heat it up, bring it not to a boil, but make it really hot, and you stir it and mix it all well, and then you use a little funnel. Here, there's a little funnel I used. It's usually used for camp fuel, but you can buy that also at Walmart in the camping aisle, camping equipment aisle. With this little funnel, you can fill this hot solution of distilled water and Epsom salt into a lead acid battery. Here's the lead acid battery. You take those covers out and then fill each individual cell. There's 6 cells in here, up to, there's a little indicator how high the fluid is supposed to be in there. Usually if you have a really old battery, the battery acid level down there is usually low already, so you have a little bit of room to add some magic solution of distilled and Epsom salt, fill it up to the marker, and then close it up again, and then you give it like a little shake like this. Just wiggle it a little bit, just like you're driving your car around, and the magnesium sulfate in this mixture will clean up the sulfate on the lead plates that are in those battery cells. So pretty much it will clean up the battery plates, and then if you have a completely dead battery, this one was completely dead, it will actually start charging this battery again. Before, my battery charger was not happy with this battery. It was constantly giving me a failure message saying the battery is bad, and then I just gave it some shaking action with a magic solution in there, and suddenly my battery charger actually started charging this battery. So that is pretty cool. So you can rejuvenate old batteries. Of course, there's always a limit to everything, you know, but you can give it a try. Just heat it up on the stove, use a little funnel and pour it in there. Don't overfill it, just to the required level there, and then let it sit, charge it a few days if you have to, and then maybe you're lucky and you don't have to buy a new one, and maybe it lives another year or two. Yeah, I just learned that. So baking soda to neutralize battery acid. If you have a rusty battery tray, that's usually a sign that some battery acid has made it out of your battery into the battery tray. And before you repaint this whole thing, you just neutralize it with baking soda and tap water. Alright, I hope this video will help someone. It definitely helped me knowing those ingredients here. And yeah, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.